Welcome to Exploring Nature with Modern Technology, where tech meets the wild. Drones give us stunning new perspectives, revealing the beauty of our planet like never before. GPS, sensors, and portable labs make on-the-spot discoveries possible. In the field, scientists use cutting-edge tech to uncover nature's secrets. Tech brings nature documentaries to life. Underwater drones, thermal cameras, and time-lapse capture the unseen wonders. Data from satellites, climate models, and migration tracking deepens our understanding of nature. Tech helps us explore and protect our planet's beauty. Follow zinkmagmore for more on nature and technology.